Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make ledger entry in computer. Open your accounting software and go to the Journal Entry or General Ledger screen, then create a new entry. Enter the date, select accounts from your chart of accounts, and input debits and credits ensuring totals match. Add a clear description and supporting reference like invoice number. Save, review for errors, and reconcile with bank or subsidiary ledgers. Start by choosing the correct date and journal type for the transaction, such as sales or expense. Select the account for the debit, enter the amount, then choose the account for the credit and enter the matching amount. Add a short description and attach any supporting document using the upload feature. Review totals, use memo fields for internal notes, then save and verify the new ledger entry appears in the register and reports. If your entry is unbalanced, double-check amounts and account selections for typos or transposed digits. Use an adjustment entry to fix classification mistakes or a reversing entry to negate an incorrect accrual. Avoid deleting posted entries when possible to preserve audit trails. Instead, add correcting entries with explanations. After correction, run a trial balance and reconcile to bank statements to confirm accuracy before closing the period.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.